Sink that John Adam installed on the 4th, and we also looked at the prop zinc I installed 2 months ago. Ever since I installed that prop zinc, your collar or your split ring sail drive zinc is burning up quickly. We just put a new one on, but your drive is still showing signs of electrolysis. I really would like it to see you get a marine electrician out here to make sure that the bonding is good. Thank you for choosing DS Diving Service.